Hi there, in this video we're going to go over the slope of a line. The slope of a line is equal to the vertical change over the horizontal change. And the slope of a line passing through 2 points, where the points are x1, y1, and x2, y2, our slope is given by m is equal to the vertical, y2 minus y1, and x2 minus x1. Let's look at an example. We're given 2 points, point 2, 5, and 6, 8. If the question doesn't allocate the points as point 1 or point 2, you can select either one of these as point 1 or point 2. But once you do that, just make sure you are consistent with using y2 and x2 from the same point. So in our case, I'm going to select this one as x1. I'm going to select this one as point 1 and select this one as point 2. And so we will have here x1, y1, and x2, y2. And our slope is going to equal to y2 is 8 minus y1 is 5 over x2 minus x1. So x2 we have 6 and x1 we have 2. This is going to give us 3 over 4. We have our slope. Next, we're going to find the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. We're going to be using this formula once again. And we're going to select one of the points to use. You can use either point. I'm just going to use the first point that we have. And we're going to modify. We're going to change the variables here slightly. So we have m is going to equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. Our slope is 3 over 4. It's equal to y minus y1 is this point, which is 5. X minus x1, that's 2. Next, we're going to solve for y. And do this by multiplying the denominator on both sides, x minus 2. We want to do this to get rid of the denominator. So this will cancel. And this is going to equal to 3, 4, x minus 6 over 4 is equal to y minus 5. Now we're going to add 5 to both sides to isolate y. And this will cancel. We get 3 over 4x minus 6 over 4 plus 5 is equal to y. Because these have different denominators, negative 6 over 4 plus 5. We need to find a common denominator, and that's 4. This is equal to, we'll multiply the bottom by 4, and we're going to need to multiply the top by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We just bring the negative 6 over 4 down. And this becomes 20 minus 6 is 14 over 4. I'm going to reduce this by dividing by 2 on both the numerator and the denominator. We get 7 over 2. So our equation becomes 3 over 4x. And remember, we just solved this portion right here. So you're going to add 7 over 2 is equal to y. Now that we have our equation of the line, let's graph this. Here we have our graph, the x-axis, y-axis. Our first point, 2, 5, is right here, and our second point, 6, 8, is right here. Connecting these 2 dots is going to give us this line. Y is equal to 3/4 x plus 7 over 2. The equation of a line, y is equal to 3/4 x over 7 over 2. Our slope 3/4 is often referred to as the rise over the run. That is, you're going up 3 units and then going over 4 units. Remember, our slope of a line is the vertical change over the horizontal change. This is the vertical, often referred to as the rise, over the horizontal, also referred to as the run. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new or enjoyed the video, add a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.